Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Noisemaker where we cut through the noise to uncover the hidden gems in the stock market. I am Bhumika Jain, Equity Research Associate at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's episode we will be diving into two companies that are making moves that could shape their future long-term growth. As always, this is not any buy-sell recommendation of any kind. So let's start. Today's lineups are Apollo Microsystems Ltd and Vesuvius India Ltd. Now let's start with the first company, Apollo Microsystems Ltd. This company is a pioneer in designing, developing and testing electronics and electromechanical solutions, specializing in the defense technology. ADIPL is a wholly owned subsidiary of this company and has signed a share purchase agreement to acquire 100% equity in IDL Explosives Ltd for 107 crore rupees, strategically positioning the company as a Tier 1 OEM in integrated weapon systems with defense-grade explosives. Now, if we talk of the financials, Q3 FY25 revenue stood at 148 crore rupees with 25% of quarterly growth in EBITDA margins at 25.6%. Net profit margins also showed impressive growth of 25.6% on a quarterly basis. Commissioning of Unit 2 and Unit 3 of IPDS by FY26 will add over 350,000 square feet of manufacturing space, which will enhance the production capabilities and reduce the lead times. With the explosives market projected to reach 9 billion rupees by 2029, Apollo Microsystems is well positioned for sustained growth in India's defense sector. Now coming to the second company, which is Vesuvius India Ltd. This company is a specialist in molten metal flow engineering, delivering the high-performance refractory material crucial for steel making and high-temperature industrial processes. This company has started commercial operations at its new Alumina-Silica Monolithic Plant in Visakhapatnam following the April launch of its mold flux plant. Together, these facilities will add 250,000 tons of annual capacity, enabling the company to meet the growing demand from the iron and steel sector. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue stood at 516 crore rupees, marking 10.4% quarter-on-quarter growth, while the EBITDA margins improved 16% on quarterly basis. With company plans to introduce new refractory formulations and customized solutions for specific steel grades using the upgraded R&D and automation capabilities in the new units, which are expected to improve the company's competitiveness and margins in FY25 and 26. Now, in the summary of all the recent filings, Apollo Microsystems Ltd acquired 100% equity in IDL Explosives Ltd for 107 crore rupees through its wholly owned subsidiary, which is ADIPL, aiming to bolster the strategic capabilities. Now, Vesuvius India Ltd commenced its operation at its new Alumina-Silica Monolithic Plant in Visakhapatnam, marking a milestone in domestic manufacturing expansion. That's a wrap up for today's Noisemaker. For more details, you can check out our full report in the description. Stay ahead, stay informed.